how to fix formula bar not showing on Microsoft Excel. So first of all, open the Excel sheet, and as you know, if you select any cell on the sheet, there should be a formula bar shown right here below the boxes right above. So in order to do that, what you do is just select a cell and go to view, and here you can see the formula bar is not chosen. So what you can do is just select on this and click on formula bar, and as you can see here, you can see the formulas that are used on this particular row and column. Also, if you want to activate grid lines, you just select on this and all of your grid lines will be shown, as well as your headings of your cells, so A, B, C, D likewise. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.